Hello, welcome to IMA. Let me explain how to create a study and exam plan for TNPSC Group 4. TNPSC Group 4 preparation tips. Understand the exam pattern and syllabus. Includes subjects like General Studies Aptitude and Mental Ability and General Tamil or General English. Familiarize yourself with the latest syllabus and exam pattern. Prioritize the topics with higher weightage in each section. Make a study plan. Create a timetable that covers all subjects and dedicate time based on your strengths or weaknesses. Include time for revisions and practice tests. Focus on key subjects. Prioritize the topics that commonly appear in the exam. Practice arithmetic, logical reasoning, data interpretation, and problem solving regularly. Strengthen your basics in mathematics. General English focus on grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Take practice tests attempt 2023, 2024, and 2022 previous years and sample question papers to understand the pattern and time. Stay updated on current affairs. General awareness is a crucial part of the exam, so stay updated on current events, particularly those related to Tamil Nadu and India. Regularly read newspapers like the Hindu and Tamil publications for news and current affairs. Time management. Learn to manage time effectively as TNPSC exams can be lengthy. Practice solving questions quickly. Avoid spending too much time on a single question during the actual exam. Use accessible learning methods. Materials with diagrams, flowcharts, and videos with sign language or captions will improve comprehension. Practice using accessible materials that focus on clear visual explanations for concepts. Revise regularly. Make notes, flashcards, or mind maps for quick reference. Focus on memorizing facts, dates, and other key details. Prepare a plan. We have around 6 months of time for the next exam in the year 2025. Start studying for at least 2 hours per day, which will definitely help. General English 6 weeks. General Studies Physics 1 week. Chemistry 1 week. Biology 1 week. Environmental Science 1 week. Indian Polity 1 week. History and Culture of India 1 week. Geography India and Tamil Nadu 1 week. Current Affairs 1 week. Aptitude and Mental Ability 5 weeks. Revision 3 weeks. We have around 6 months of time for the next exam in the year 2025. Start studying for at least 2 hours per day, which will definitely help. I hope you found the study and exam plan for TNPSC Group 4 learning video useful. Thank you.